Mom is just chilling. And Hipster is scared. He's too scared to come down. He's stuck. Push and go. There's Bear. There's Mom. There's Poofy. And there's two. He keeps poking his head out, but then he's too scared to jump. It's gonna take a while. Happy cat, dude.